Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here in Taj Yeshwantpur shooting our episode 4 of Makers of Bharat, and I have a very special guest with me, Mr. Dinesh Mishra, founder Meshmix Media. Welcome, Dinesh ji.
Thank you, Ramana. Good to
So-
finally have you at your show. I know I host multiple interviews, and finally you thought of coming to me and talking about Makers of Bharat and your initiative.
Every time being with Dinesh Mishra ji is a very great experience. I have learned a lot from him, learning more further. And Dinesh ji, you know very well about Makers of Bharat.
Correct.
So what we do for industry, academia, connect. So how would you rate this? How is this shaping up?
Ramana, Makers of Bharat. Just to let the audience know more about this initiative, we were coming from Hosur, me and you, and this is a 1-year-old concept which you pitched, ki will it work, will it not, and when you said that the connect which this platform or initiative where you want to bring industry and academia, the real challenge in the industry plus what students are learning, how it's a mutual platform, and I will say it's very much needed. What we study in colleges, like I did my MBA, I read a lot of marketing, operational management, retail, supply chain, and I didn't know why I'm learning all this until and unless I joined a job.
The ground reality.
Yes, and a lot of new skill I have to acquire. The same way, it's a must to have a connect or a platform where students can come and talk what they want, and industry what they are doing, what is their expectation, plus not only during the placement season, like most of us when we were students, our main
Goal.
goal was to get placed.
Placed,
So
yes.
only we wanted to reach to companies either for projects, internship, or placements. But platform like this will help people to know more about what industry wants,
Yes.
and it will give a certain guidelines or guidance to college, the professor, the placement cells, or the ecosystem that what industry is asking, so that they can make their students job ready.
Correct.
So the way I see Makers of Bharat, it's a very good initiative. Like I said, Rome was not built in a day, and it's whenever I meet Dr. Uday Narang, he's a sustainability champion, India's leading e-mobility company. He always say he is running a marathon. It's not sprint, one step at a time. And to sum it up, it's a
Correct.
much needed initiative, and which will help both industry and academia. And I look forward to see this platform growing year on year. I won't, because like I said, it's a long-term goal
Long-term
what
goal,
you have thought.
yes.
So it's a great initiative.
Yes. So yes, guys, one very good statement. Rome is not built in overnight. Rome is not built in one day. So yes, life is a marathon. We need to build energy to reach that last mile, and that is what an experienced sales professional is saying. He built Meshmix Media from scratch, and today it is a top business media organization. So Dinesh ji, this month onwards we are coming up with a new initiative, Makers of Bharat multicity event. So can you just brief us what is the focus of Makers of Bharat multicity event, and how would it help the young professionals, the young entrepreneurs, the future makers of Bharat?
The way I see, Ramana, we as Meshmix Media, we had print, Dynamic Manufacturing India, through which we do content. It's a bi-monthly. We have got very limited scope, so a focused content platform we have. We have Machine Insider, which is a global platform which talks about from watch to the moon, as Mr. Luca Mattiucci of Marpos says. This platform also talks anything and everything about manufacturing. We had Samurai Awards, which was our annual event. We do webinars, I personally host Breaking Bread with DMI, where I do a lot of interviews. But there was no such focused events under our portfolio where we could have done something else. When Makers of Bharat, you were coming up with this idea and we were discussing, I thought, since you are building this project, how should we as a company, and since I work with you very closely on not only with Meshmix Media, with a lot of other projects I can say, which we are building up. For example, Eco Dispose, which is a e-waste management company.
Correct.
We interact on multiple topics.
Yes.
When
FIB solutions.
FIB solution,
We-
FIC solutions.
FIC solutions.
So a lot of initiative we are working. We are going to colleges, mentoring a lot of
Students.
young students. So when you said Makers of Bharat, I said, okay, what I can add value. We at Meshmix, how we can give a boost. For example, people want to build hydrogen vehicles where there will be a EV battery initially and then powered by hydrogen source, so that it's a boost. Hydrogen is a boost. Makers of Bharat is growing, and like I said, it's a marathon. So we said, what as a company we could have done, I could have add value to this initiative. When I had this industry academy, I said, okay, I sat with my editorial team, we did brainstorm what we can do to amplify this project and also build something in and around Meshmix Media which adds value to industry as well as academia. We thought, okay, let us choose cities which are manufacturing heavy cities, which is contributing to India's GDP in manufacturing, not only in specialized particular industry. Each city has a potential. For example,
Yes.
we have chosen Belagavi, Hosur, Ludhiana and Pune. That means Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Punjab. These are the 4 different cities of 4 different capabilities. For example, Belagavi is after Bangalore is one of the powerhouse, which is number 2 in terms of revenue generation, which contributes to Karnataka GDP as well as manufacturing GDP.
Industry.
Companies like Acres, companies like Vega Helmets, Belgaum Ferrocast, Gokul Ferrocast, Ashok Iron, Hydromatic, Akash Foaming Technologies. Same thing in Hosur, we have got IAMPL, in and around area Indo Autotech. Same thing in Pune, we have got all in automotive manufacturing might is there.
Correct.
Ludhiana Machine Tool and Manufacturing Hub. So these are the places we have chosen, and we said, okay, let's not build something whole day boring. I won't say boring. We do a lot of conferences. Still a focused thing, a evening gathering where people can come and exchange their ideas. And while conceptualizing this event, we thought, let us laser focus what exactly under Makers of Bharat we as a Meshmix Media want to touch. So quality is the theme, which is must for all SME and MSME, because if you want to do export or build a product, it has to be top notch. So that it can go to Europe, it can go to US, it can be used in India, aerospace, defense, where there is zero defect policy. It has to be 0.0001 micron quality they need. So okay, we thought, why not we build a concept, build a event around quality. And if you see all those sections or regions we will cover, it will only focus on quality. Industry leaders will talk about quality. The panel discussion will talk about quality, not only in certain industry. It can be aerospace, automotive,
across
forging, casting,
various
across
manufacturing.
multiple industry,
Yes.
how quality plays. And later on we will make this available to students. We have also kept some seats, or you can say chairs, for colleges. Where like I said, it's an industry event. Still we want representation from colleges. Where we will go, we will try to give opportunity for students to come and listen to what the industry leaders
are
to say.
speaking. Yeah.
And it later on it will be available in YouTube and other platforms.
Yes.
We'll also cover extensively in our magazine.
Yes.
And like I said,
So, like you are saying, we are building a multi-city platform where students can understand the top-notch inner insights of the industry leaders.
yes, the things which are not available in normal classroom.
Got it.
Like somebody who's a 40
Yes.
years experience in manufacturing, if he, like we say in mentorship,
And they are busy in their day-to-day activities, so we can't expect them to come to college and spend time with students. So probably one interview with them, one keynote of them would be a very good advantage for the students.
like in industry, in sports we say rubbing the shoulder.
Yes.
Like I said, Sachin Tendulkar, the great Sachin Tendulkar has retired long back. Still he sits in MI dressing room, MI, what do you call,
In the Wankhede Stadium, he
the team,
frequently
where
meets
they
many
sit.
young players.
And while looking at him, talking to him, getting advices, this is like, you are getting the best. Like
Correct.
sometimes you have to vibrate on the same rhythm to get to know.
Correct.
These industry people will, while the students get access to, talking to this, industry leaders, looking at the forums, this will help them to, in the age of AI,
Correct.
whether it's mechanical, whether it's electronics, whether it's what's they should add in their armory. Like whenever we, I know it's a war time. I should not talk about war. Like in Kautilya Arthashastra, if you listen to Chanakya, when he describes war, so it always talks about what sort of armory you have in
You
your
have,
arsenal
yes.
you have in your armory to fight a battle.
Correct.
Same thing for students. What sort of skills we have? Like for me, I personally trying to get a hang of AI, not only just Chat GPT and other thing. Like we have got in EcoDispose, we have got our great CEO from IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Aniket. He's a Gen Z, I can say, and I look at him, the technology what he uses, not only for
How he builds the
research,
platforms, yeah.
presentations, how it can give you a complete audit of your website, app building, photos, videos. Sky has no limit.
No
So,
limits.
a platform like this, we say it's a knowledge platform.
Correct.
Just for industry, they will meet, they will discuss business. A lot of business will also happen. This is our agenda as well. A lot of customers should come. For example, this initiative is supported by ExxonMobil India, CMTI, Supply Point, Goodwill Associate, FYB Solutions, EcoDispose. We are also in touch with many industrial companies coming forward to support the initiative, and we are looking forward to do such initiative, roundtables, knowledge forums, sports, whatever. Like it's the ocean. Whatever we can be a drop, we want to add
long
value.
journey to go ahead. As he said, it is a marathon. We also want to run a marathon. We want to do lot of initiatives for Industry Academia Connect, because as he said, definitely if Indian MSMEs should be on the global page, they need to build upon standards, they need to build upon the quality standards. We need to show the world that we were great. That is where we reached. We started at Charka, we reached chip today, and we need to go a long journey ahead. So definitely quality standards are the one main things what will make us stay on the global manufacturing zone. And thank you, Dinesh ji, for spending good time with us. Thank you for guiding us, and very excited to be part of Makers of Bharat multicity event, and looking forward for a great show in beyond Bangalore, the theme. So going across India, where all the core manufacturing is happening, not only in the metro cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, or Delhi, Noida, NCR. So definitely there are various regions in India where manufacturing is happening in core depths across many decades. No, it did not start very recently. It is happening from many decades. Thank you for your time and your valuable insights, Dinesh ji.
Thank you, Ramana. Wish you a great success.
Thank you.
And hope to, coming on your platforms whenever you invite.
Sure.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.